Gaeilge Weekly is brought to you by Learn Irish Online. For way more shows, videos, podcasts and courses for learning the language, head to learnirishonline.com or patreon.com/learnirishonline. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, mods and what, Trononama. Welcome back to the show, Fáilte Rash Week on show, and welcome back to the final episode of the year. Fáilte Rash Week on Tagrant Eranach I Melina. Yes, this is the last Gaeilge Weekly for 2025. Seo é an Tagrant Eranach de Gaeilge Weekly le haig 2025. And anybody who's been listening to the show over the last year or two, there's a good chance you'll know aintine ag éisteacht le bliain nó gó anús. Chance ma go mai is agah that we normally take 2 breaks during the year. Jeagná bíam tig tógal gá sos I ri na bliana. One in the middle of summer, ceann amháin I lár an Tarry, whenever I decide to go on my holidays, really. PV a dhéanann mé cinú chun dul maléhan de Sira, so sometimes July, sometimes August, and we just take 2 or 3 weeks off the podcast, or into Miúil, or into mi Lunasa, agus ní bhíon pudchailtaí fa caicíis nó trí seachtain, and also one in winter that normally we take for the first 3 weeks of January, Jeagná an chéad trí seachtain I mianar. But this year, we've decided we want to be back straight away, the start of 2026. A lot of people looking to improve their Irish in 2026. Landini Agiri, Fiaus, Chur, or a Gwij Gaeilge, Gavils Fishe. People will be busy during Christmas and New Year's and everything else. And in the build-up by Dini Anchonohuk, Lashan Nulog, Hugs le New Year's, Le Ihach in Blina, New Year's Eve, and everything else. So instead, we're going to take that break during December. Thomas Hun and Sustin, a Hogal, in Mina Nullig, and we'll be back on, I think it's the 7th of January. Captain Gould say Hart earn Shachtú Law Mianar. It's either the 7th or the 8th, or maybe it's the 7th on Patreon and the 8th on Spotify, and Shachtú Law or Patreon Bager agus an Uchtú Law Spotify. But it is that time, and just as the schools are going back, just as kind of normality is resuming, we'll be back the first Wednesday in 2025 by Muidse Rash an chéad céadín de gávíle is not 2025, ní gávíle is a fé guig, but 2026, of course, gávíle is a fé sé ar Noe. So quick little bit of housekeeping. There'll be no Gaeilge Weekly next week or the week after. Ní bhain Gaeilge Weekly an Tsachtan sa Hugan, no an Tsachtan I Nia Sin, no an Tsachtan I Nia Sin. The week after that will be New Year's Eve. In fact, an Tsachtan Nia Sin by Sin mar Ihach in Blina. And also, good chance in the new year, we're going to be moving the podcast at some point to Thursday instead of Wednesday. So it'll be coming out Wednesday on Patreon and Thursday on Spotify by sé teachtamach an Gaidín Patreon agus an sin an Deirdín Spotify. Remember, you can head over to patreon.com/Learn Irish Online Tatwanandol. Go dtí an nasc sin to that link. I won't repeat it again. Patreon.com/Learn Irish Online. There you go. So good if you want to get early access to the podcast as well as PDFs of all the most difficult vocab used in the podcast. PDFs leis an stór focail is deachra ó sáidir I ri an fud creile and a whole lot else, along ruddy ella over on Patreon, including bonus episodes, of which there'll be one next week, Hugs by Kianwan on Tsachtan Chuggins. That'll be the real last episode of the year by Shishin Mar on Fear Agron Zeranach I ri na Blina Shaw I ri Gavila is a Fihe Kuig. Anyway, today is going to be a bit of a wrap-up, I suppose, and a bit of a summary of the year by Neo Marsai's wrap-up no Achwimra Jen Vleen of Yagin. Going to be speaking about how my year was, personally, and different things I wanted to do and how I got on with them by Mishag Lord Spignin Fui Mavleen Hain. Agus Conna sa Jari Lom le Cúpla Rud de Friúil a Yenov. Also be speaking about what type of a year was for Gaeilge Weekly for Learn Irish Online. Cain Sais Vleen a bhí si le haig Gaeilge Weekly agus Learn Irish Online. As well as that, going to be talking about my Spotify Wrapped, of course, because are you really a content creator? Are you really a podcaster? Or someone who does stuff on social media? Then a dhéanann rudaí ar na mian ho síolta. If you're not telling the whole world about how interesting your Spotify Wrapped is, munawil to a kind of cake of simul is a the Spotify Wrapped. And also going to be finishing off talking a bit about 2026 And yeah, a bit about Christmas as well, but not too much, ní more on really. Personally, I'm not that big a Christmas person. Ní duna anna sais gafa leis an nulach mé hain. So not going to be spending too much time on that, but more so going to be summing up the year and ní smó na on rodella by meg lauerts faoin mlín agus an bhlín a bhí agam agus an bhlín a bhí agin the year that I had and the year that we all together had as well. So interesting, actually. Around December, January every year, I heard there me na nullag no mianar gach blin. I make a list. I'm sure a lot of people do this. Janum list agus kinse ganyanin alan dini on rud show, but I make a list of just things I want to do in the following year. Ruddy will make year Janu, so so it could be things like I want to go to this place and spend more time doing this. I want to achieve this time in a 10k run to make year dulgaji not shod, to make year nismo ama a chahu ag Janu and rud show, to make year an tam show of winshamach. Ross, Gillimader, whatever it might be. And I look at it a good bit during the first few months of the year to remind myself where I'm going. And actually, the last time I looked at it, on or yearnach around make fechens air on list the show before I recorded the other two versions of the podcast yesterday, Riv a rinne on chéad dá lagan gen fud creile inné. The last time was actually at the end of June. Ag Zera, me mehiv, and you can go back and listen to that episode if you want, but I did an episode at the exact kind of halfway point of the year talking about how I was getting on with different stuff I wanted to do in 2025. Rinne me agron Zurich ag an buinte lafvalach gávíle is a fé cuig ag lauert fwy conas a bhí gairí lom ag Janu na ruddy shows na ruddy show around me ag géirí buinsamach ag gávíle is a fé cuig. These things I wanted to kind of achieve in 2025. So it's interesting looking back at the list now. Tá sé civil féchan siar an list inis. Of course, there's never going to be a year where you do all the things you've written down and you get on well with them. Ní bhaid aon bhlín riamh nó go dó in dhéann tú gach rud a scríbhinn tú síos ag tús na bliana. And some things as well in here that I haven't done, I maybe tried and then decided, oh, this actually isn't something I want to do. You know, tá cúpla rud an seo ar a lista agus rinne mé iirecht lo. Agus an sin hug me fi jara, I realised, oh, I don't really want to do this. Níl mé géirí é seo a dhéanamh. And that's good as well, because you tried it, realised it wasn't for you, and maybe it was just the mood I was in the day I wrote the list. Beidir just ríse níos mó on gúmar a bhí arm an lá around make scríb on list of show that I felt particularly motivated by this thing or that thing. Bhí alon spragor maidir leis an rud show nó an rud sin, but in reality in law year I didn't really have that much interest ní rá an méid sin sima agam. So about 20 things on this list, but just going to pick out 4 or 5 of them. Tartar fihe rud ar an list of show. Just tá mé hun cean nó chuig rud of Fioco Mac. First one I've written down is Adolish. So Nyart Adolisha, no Nyart Klakta Ayeno or an Adolish. So to do plenty of practice on the Italian, as I've been learning Italian over the last 2 years now. Legovli Nanus Anish, or 1 year when I wrote this list out, for me ag fólam le blin one nor schreib me an list of shot amach. I said Kupla Turskaji and Udal, a few trips to Italy, and I said roughly, I don't believe in the different language levels that people speak about, the A1, A2, B1, ní chredsum really sna leveli to frula a bhín dini ag lauert who A1 agus A2. But I said roughly a B2 level in Italian, harder level a B though san Idalish. And yeah, I didn't do a few trips, like I said, Kupla Turskaji and Udal ní Yarname. Kupla Thirst, but I did do one big one, Rinne Kian a one on a war, well, fairly big, 2 weeks initially, and very lucky to have that opportunity on Todd Zargurm on Jeshin of Algam. Obviously I live in Spain, so it's quite easy to get over to Italy. Tommy Mahoney and Shaw Suspon, so there's a Soch Heska Hundulgadi in the and as well as that, just to have the opportunity would work and to be able to work where I want. On a Jeshin of Algam Madra Lashnolberg, Zavetan, Mohuids Ibra Ayenu, Aonach Oil Megiri. It really helps, and I'm very grateful that I get to do things like that. To my anvuich go mín mé an rudaí cosúla sin a dhéanamh. And that was a really cool experience, getting to live a normal life in Italy rather than being in holiday mode in áit se bheith is mode leighon the Sierra on sin, just there for a week, and actually being there for 2 weeks and still working a bit in the lab shop, ag déanamh beagnaí nibra ar an laptop, and kind of almost having just a normal life while I was out there, just go ná saoil a bheith agam agus mise an mhaith on sin. And get to use the language, obviously, and been doing a lot of practice with the language throughout the year. Ag déanamh neart chleachta leis an Django ire na bliana. So that's something I'm definitely happy with. And again, it's interesting to get to this time of year, tá sé simul shricú ar an buinte seo gen bblian, and think, okay, now 2026, I want to continue that with that. What's the actual goal with learning Italian? Is there a goal with it? Do I want to park it for a while? And will mé géirí é ágal ar fad tamil cén spruch atá agam, what goal do I have in terms of it? And it's interesting in terms of 2026, gávíle is looking forward, féchant ar an líon sin, looking to that year and thinking, okay, what do I want to do? What's the next step with that? Or is there a next step? Chad é mar an chéad chéimela, maidir le sin, nó an bhfuil an chéad céimela umhaithin sin, or is it something I want to continue on a sin rud ó bhfuil mé géirí leanúint rá leis? And not quite sure, and definitely over the next few weeks going to be sitting down again and making a similar list to this gandát ag an cúpla seachtain nó ri an chéad cúpla seachtain eile agus a ri na nullag. I'll be sitting down by me sí síos agus ag déanamh lista cosúil le seo a rís le haid an bhliain se thugan for next year. Another thing on my list was to spend a longer stint in Ireland at some point. So níos mó ama a chuid chathú in éireann ag pointse éigean. And I think I have done that. I mean, before this year, Riv on bhliain seo, I would normally go back 3 times during the year for 1 week each time. So seachtain amháin mi Oibron, seachtain amháin mi Bhean Fómhair, seachtain amháin ar an nullag. So 1 week April, 1 week September, and then 1 week at Christmas. But this year did a lot more. The 10 days were on Easter, had their jet law seachtain na Chosca. I did a full 2 weeks during the summer in July, rinne mé caiicí siomlán I ri an Towry. And then, as well as that, I did a week in October, which I wouldn't normally do. Seachtain amháin in my year over, Jeganal Nienum Ishin, and also obviously going to be going back for about 7 to 10 days after seacht jet law. Le haid an nullag. So I've definitely spent a lot more time in Ireland this year. Gandátá a bhhat níos mó ama chatsa agam in éireann in mlíana compared to previous years I gumprod le blianta eile rive seo. And I think I certainly enjoy my time in Ireland a lot more than I did. Ceapam go mhuinam a bhhat níos mó taitneamh as mo chuid ama in éireann anis compared to a few years ago, I gumprod le cúpla bliain ó hin. I think, and this may sound a bit silly, beidir go mai cuma beagnaí granver aisteach ar seo, but I think I'm kind of building a life for myself in Ireland, and that may, again, sound weird, trans go mai sin beagnaí aisteach le clustal. But what I mean by that, gadatá I gceist le sin, it's that, when you're living in Spain and you go back home to Ireland and you're not there that often, agus níl tú an sin rovinnic, you go back and, most of my friends who I would have went to school with, I wouldn't chat to them too much now, ní bheadh mé ag cainsló gomininic inis, and a lot of them live abroad as well. An chuid is mó achub, tá siad sin ina gcónaí thar lear freisin. My 2 best friends from school, one of them's in London, one of them's in Switzerland. On Bert's chóirde, says is far no mo Bert glú chóirde on school, cean bháin acu tá sé ina gcónaí in London, and then another one is over in Switzerland, cean eile tá sé hall San Elvis. So you're not seeing them anyway when you go back, níl tú an í eáil agus tusa rash, unless it's maybe at Christmas. That's a bit different because they're likely back as well. Tá sé beagnaí sa friúil ag an nullag mar seans ma go bhfuil siad san a rash in éireann chomh ma. But when you're there, not too often, just for 1 week every few months, agus tá sin seachtain amháin gach cúpla mí, and you're not kind of used to the routine, and you're kind of there, and even though you're only there for a few days, kind of bhfuil tú an sin achar for a cúpla lá, it's easy to kind of find it a bit boring or get a bit bored. Tá sé éasa hád a bheith beagnaí dubhdósa agus tusa an sin, and thinking, what am I meant to do with my time? But now that I've started going back more, and now that I've started I suppose getting to know more people who are actually based in Ireland and live in Ireland full time in it. Marial Gwil Nismo Atna Agam or Nismo Dini Bunnyhugs Lunniha in Éireann agus daoine atá sin galán. I'm sure you have people that are there full time. When I go back, there's more things to do. I found different routines I like and really simple stuff. Tá sais gnáthbhí difriúla agam in it. Agus ruddy a hatnín gomorlam, ruddy simple things such as, for example, buying the paper, something I never did when I lived in Ireland 5 or 6 years ago. Buying the paper and going for a coffee in the morning. You know, ceannach an fápar nuachtáin agus ag dul hun coffee all badge. And I spoke last time I was in Ireland, the end of October. I did a full podcast on our Yearnach around me in Éireann I rip me Europe over. Running my pudchrela omlan, speaking about the small things I miss from home, whether it's heading into the sauna and the steam room at the leisure centre, ag dul gin sauna agus an steam room ag an leisure centre, or buying the paper, buying a book, heading down to the pier and watching the sunset, whatever it might be. Ag dul an sin gotí an pier, gotí an chéimh agus ag féchant lín na gréine. And small stuff like that, really I think, are what makes being at home a lot more special for me now than it maybe was. Really bioga cosula sin being ma chuid thuris ó bháile gohéireann ó bhad ní speisialta margheall na rudí sin. And that's definitely something I found this year. Getting more enjoyment while I'm back, knowing more people now in Ireland while I'm back. Tá aithne níos fearr go mar chuoine agus mis ras. And even small stuff, I've kind of found a good system in terms of work and the podcast, of bringing my mic back and being able to do my work from home agus a bheith an ma chuid zibra dhéanú nuair atá mé ras in Éireann. And just having that kind of routine while I'm back and having a kind of normal life while I'm back, rather than it almost being, okay, I have 5 blank days here and what am I going to do with them? Tá cuaig sais lá full of agam seo agus cin rud a bhfuil mé chun leis na léitheanta sin. So that's something I've definitely been happy with. Another thing I've been happy with, and again, there's plenty of things which I'll talk about in a minute, tá neart rudaí an lista seo agus tá mé chun labhairt fiú who ag gan nóméid nó cho. Plenty of things that I haven't done or that haven't gone too well. Tá neart rudaí nach bhfuil déanta agam nó rudaí agus beidir níor éirí go mathlum leis na rudaí seo. But one thing as well is to do more travel in Spain. Chun níos mó taistil líana ó tíbhaiste gen Spáin. And it's funny because I have 3 places listed down here. Tá 3 áit scríofa síos agam an seo. And they're 3 fairly random places that I just put down as kind of examples. 3 áit soch randomach agus chur mé síosiad mar hampli, rather than specifically I want to go to those places. But I've seen 2 of the 3 places, and the 3rd place I'm actually going this weekend. Tá 2 áit den 3 áit Fecia agam Imelina this year, and the 3rd place agus an 3 áit I'm gonna go there tá mé chun dul an sin this weekend on Deir Seachtaine seo. And they all kind of happened by accident, or the first 2 anyway. Granada, Cordoba and Zaragoza are the 3 I've listed down on 3 atá scríofa síos agam an seo. Granada wasn't meant to go there, but I booked holiday with a friend to Almeria in August. Bhí leiceann sira curtha in áirithe agam imi Lunasa go Almeria. And I noticed Granada was on the way, and it was quite a long drive. Bhí an tomáint soch fada, so I said, why don't we can you leave a day earlier and we'll stop for a night in Granada and we'll to an dul beidir lá óháin níos luha agus is féidir in stop no stad a dhéanú I Granada. And they said, perfect, let's do that. Dúirt siad firfa, déanú sin. So we ended up doing a day in Granada. So Deir runamid lá óháin I Granada, Zaragoza as well, which I wasn't meant to go to Zaragoza, and ní raibh mé chun dul go Zaragoza. But I was doing a half marathon up in Pamplona in the north of Spain. Bhí mé ag déanú lap marathon hús I Pamplona I dúsceart na Spáine, and said, you know what, I have a friend who lives in Zaragoza, fairly close by, the Caragum in the Choni of Zaragoza, Sa Congruk, the Pamplona. Why don't I give him a message, see if I can stay with him for one night, agus fan go bheicimid, beidir go féidir lom fánach leis I hamháin, and then we'll go up to Pamplona together the day after. And we did, we had a great time. Runamid sin, agus we ítach hagin. And this weekend hens Cordoba for a quick weekend away before Christmas ag dul go Cordoba, like Deir Seachtaine tapi riv an nullig agus riv dul arás go héireann don nullig. So yeah, that's it. That's my travel in Spain. But I've seen other places as well, Cadiz and Almeria, of course, as I said, and a lot of places here in Andalusia, in the south of Spain, La Lancho, in Andalusia, in Yescar, Nitira. I'm certainly very happy that I've seen a lot more of Spain, and I much more enjoy just going on a weekend away within Spain. It's Farlam just thought and gone more on tourist or a place without many tourists here in Spain and shows to spawn, even just going to a town or something instead of a city. Few dul go balia in och dul go chahir, and then chilling out and doing that for 3 days, chill all amach, see Jane the Ruddy, because le sin fa law no tree law instead of going abroad or going to Paris or to Rome or wherever else it might be, or a big destination within Spain, the what's on the ward Tivas Jen Spawn. It's much easier, way easier to get accommodation, head out, chill out for the weekend. You're actually in a real place where you're not just getting a touristy version of what Spanish culture is. Níl tú just like fall lagan torsiachta to cadatá I gest lesh on Spawn. So that's something I've really enjoyed this year and looking forward to hopefully continuing that in 2026 to make Sul le cúna le avenan a sin a chuneal sus agus lanunch arai le sin to keep it up and continue that I gávile is a shape. But as I said, mar dorch me plenty of stuff here that I haven't done that well. Wrote down I wanted to get used to riding a moped, which is a big thing out here in Spain, and obviously over in Italy they're probably even more famous for the mopeds and the Vespas. Beidir Hall sa nidal tá siad fiú níos chaúla ó haven na mopeds agus na Vespas, and said I want to get used to riding one and get a lot of practice, and I haven't done it. I just haven't done it, and maybe I've lost interest in doing it, or I'm not fully confident. Beidir nach chuin by rohwunilach ó hav sinja or níl me cinse foi. I haven't done that, for example. Writing more, I really haven't written much at all this year. Ag scríb níos mó, ní rá meid déanú mór an scríb churbe Imelina, learn Cloghuilach, which is the old, basically Gaelic print, Gaelic font that was used up until the 1940s or the 50s in Irish. So Cloghuilach ólam agus tá sé sin mar an sean chló úsáid tú go dtí na blinta na níte carchaidí capan na níte chuigeidí hart an am sin around that time. And a few others as well that I haven't done. That's how it's always going to be. One that I have done, more races, more running races. Níos mó Rossi Riha. So I did half marathon in January here in Seville, another one in Pamplona in June, and another one or two in Seville recently, and going to be doing one on Stephen's Day in Athenry while I'm backed by McDaniel Kianawan in Athenry, or Hurry Gunne Nagaliva, Agus Misha Rash will be doing that on Stephen's Day by McJanu on Rishin Losh Stefan. So yeah, and again, it's easy for me to talk about these things, the podcast, and pretend like, oh, it's been an amazing year of Blin Tuchredza of ENT. And it has been a really good year, and I've really enjoyed a lot of the things I've done this year, but also a lot of ups and downs as well. A lot of ups and downs, and like anyone else, I'm sure, listening to this podcast, great days this year and some pretty bad ones as well. Leihinta Intach Imelina, but a fair few days where things haven't been as good. Niart Leihinta August Irao Ruddy Rowa. But thankfully it's been more good days than bad days. And yeah, I think definitely over the last month or two, a lot more questions in terms of, okay, how should I be spending my time? What should I be dedicating myself to? Geen goeie begeertum, mo goed zame usage. And I'm very privileged and very lucky to be able to have those questions in my mind. Tan Todd Targar mugs this more on privilege a hon na kestana shin ave agam scene, because a lot of people, they just say, well, I don't have an option during a landini well, Neelan Dara Rawa Agam. It's just a case of I have to work to provide for my family, or I have to work to pay the bills. Chai me ober no hun na billy, no hun ich as na billy, agus hun, be a chur mard, the machlan to put food on the table for my family. And thankfully, I've a bit more freedom now, and I'm living in Spain, and my business is going okay, and I have flexibility with that. Tá ma gnó, tá ma chólacht ag déanú go maith agus tá níos mó flexibility as lúpocht agam le sin. So it's nice to have those questions, but it's a bit overwhelming as well. It's kind of like, okay, what's actually important in life? Cad tá tábhachtach sa saoil, and think about that more and more over the last few months. Ag swin níos mó faoi sin le cúpla mí anús. But yeah, outside of stuff personally, I mean, in terms of work, it's been a brilliant year. More and more people listening to this podcast and enjoying this podcast. Hopefully, you're listening anyway, so I presume you're enjoying it. Tá tú géis Dr. Reynos, so tá súlagam go bhfuil tú ag buint tá na bhas. And again, as I said last week and the week before on the mailbag edition, Mara dúirt me an Sachtan Scotcha agus an Sachtan Rivershin an mailbag edition. Just thank you so much, guys, for tuning in all year. Gur míle mágah as sa bheith túil nasteach an bhliain ar fad agus an bhliain le lig, because you know, you don't, obviously for you, hopefully you get benefit from it. Hopefully it helps you with your Irish, you know, ditse le cúna J Korean and putcre le sholat madra leis an Gaeilge agus le cúna J being civic bunch tatniv agus tarva as on bud chayla. Hopefully you enjoy and benefit from the podcast, but as well as that, Komalashin, every time you're listening, every time you give us a like over on Instagram, or you maybe are a member on Patreon or buy one of our courses on the website, Beidir goil to either wall or Patreon, no Beidir goil course caniha agatal on Steve Idrilian. Every time you interact with us or help us out or give me a message of support or whatever it might be, you're helping Learn Irish Online and Gaeilge Weekly grow. Tá tusa ag carú linne an seo ag Learn Irish Online agus Gaeilge Weekly hon fásu agus hon airí níos mó and to get bigger. And what does that mean? That means we can help more people across the world to learn Irish. Táid an carú le níos mó daoine chimplan down hon an Gaeilge ólam, not just to learn it, but to learn it in an effective way, honia ólam in malach éfochtach, but also in a way in which they enjoy it and there's no stress and baggage connected to it. Níl stress no inrod mar sin ceangailte leis. And that is ultimately the goal of Learn Irish Online, to help as many people across the world learn Irish in a fun, simple, easier way. Hon an Gaeilge ólam in malach níos simply, níos éasca agus níos spríúla timpeall on down. And so every time you're listening to the podcast, you are helping us do that. Thought with Carolyn a sin a dhéanamh. So been a great year in terms of Learn Irish Online Gaeilge Weekly. We've no plans to stop ní len plan agin hun a stopu. Few different things changing, as I said. For example, small things, maybe releasing on a Thursday instead of a Wednesday. Shansma go maimage a geshu on fud creile on an Zerdin in áit an Gédín I gávíle is a fé. But apart from that, shachas é sin, things will be staying as the same, and we're always looking to get better and better and make the Gaeilge Weekly experience better and better for you guys. On Gaeilge Weekly agus Learn Irish Online I dhéanamh níos friar agus níos friar díobhse go léir ag éisteacht. So Spotify Wrapped, of course, as I said, you're not cool really unless you speak about your Spotify Wrapped and let every single person in the world know about it. Into cool na leichen the show mon will to ag lauert fui the Spotify Wrapped agus mai is a gach ille dinne chimpel and down fui, and that they all realize how important it is what you're listening to and who you listen to and what your listening age is and all this nonsense agus an shaffods go there show. Top 5 songs. Iver Kuig, number 5, Feeling by The Lads. So a lot of people will know There She Goes by The Lads. Chance ma go mai There She Goes Olas ag Lán Dini le The Lads Aron a hána gamach in níd ag nócha no octoní ceapam 1990 or 89. Very famous song. But The Lads kind of second or third biggest song is Stochan Daru Aron a small no an trio Aron a small atá ag The Lads. That is Feeling, Shin Feeling. And Unbelievable Song is the only song that was in my top 5 last year and also this year on 10 Aron a V in my top 5. Anuri, August Freshen in Melina. And there's a few really good different versions of it as well. Tá cúpla lagan defriúil atá, you know, tá gachán gohíntaach. So often listening to that. Number 4 is the only one I'm a bit embarrassed about. If we're clear sinna an tainchan will beagni noira madra leis, and that is Green Light by Flowride and Pitbull. I think I realise how this has happened. Ceapam gwil isagam agus tigam Keen Hui Ultra Shot Tareish Tarlu, and that is that obviously Gaeilge Weekly Spotify Unwrapped or Wrapped, I always forget what it's called. You go only James Dermot or Ken Tanham air. Spotify Wrapped is quite biased towards what you found or what you started listening to at the start of the year. The Spotify Wrapped soch cleanta Madger leis an rud a hosíú ag éisteach leis ag tús na blina. especially if you added it to a playlist around that time. Gohorithe mas rud é chur tú in the playlist é ag an am sin, because then it's on repeat all year compared to something you discovered in September. I gomráid le rud éigen a tháinig tú in mi bhean fóver. So the Darts World Championship, you might not know where this is going, or you might. The Darts World Championship on churn down on crave down the darts shul agus bean sé shul agoni ag Jeremy Nulig. It's always on at the end of December and also at the start of January. Ag freshen ag tus mianer. And Luke Littler, is he the current world champion? I think he is. Captain Gwilse Bar on champion down the Raha. He walks out, so this is his entrance song, Sean entrance song atá ega. So I must have discovered it then. I did discover it then. I remember it. It's equivalent to me, and I was listening to it then consistently throughout the year, but I wasn't putting it on purpose that much. The rome, dullas shachs a playlist agus a chur shul. It was just more so it was coming up on shuffle and stuff, but maybe a few times I did intentionally put it on. Better Kupla or, Doors by okay, Tommy Hun a chur shul. Iver 3, This Head I Hold by Electric Guest. Iver though Amazing by George Michael. Vi Megeish the Clel Lon George Michael Imelina Gohorithe, especially in the second half of the year. Gohorithe Sadara Lat and Vlin Ugs Civilian by Yoak Wyeoak. Captain Grow on Cian Shin in The Walking Dead. I think that song was in The Walking Dead, so people might know it from that, but I don't watch The Walking Dead. I found it in the Ronan O'Gara documentary. Hádig Misha on Shin sa chlor fásnéise Ronan O'Gara, and great documentary. I'd recommend it. It's up on YouTube. Tá sé hús on YouTube. It's an RTE documentary, but somebody's ripped it onto YouTube. Tá sé chur Jesus ag duine aigen YouTube Anos, and I found it within that brilliant documentary or film hádig mé tras the air sa scanán iontoch sin nó sa chlór fásnéise iontoch sin YouTube. Top artists or bands or songwriters na Haránithe around a géisteachló imlína. Number 5, Iver Cuig Wonder Horse, then The Laz. And that's a bit strange. Tá sé sin piúchaní aisteach gohfuil The Laz hús an sin, because the only Laz song I listen to on Tain Auron The Laz a bhín me ag éisteach is Feeling. I don't even listen to the other ones, such as There She Goes that often. Ní bhín me ag éisteach leis na cín eile cosúla There She Goes Covminic sin. So I don't know how in the world that's got in the top 5. Níl clue bit agam cén chuí ó bhfuil sé sin thuéis Creeknú said top 5. But after that, pretty standard. Iver 3, 49th and Main. Iver though Fontaine CC. Iver Hain Oasis. So nice that 2 of the 5 there and 2 of the top 3 even are Irish. So tuis go má rénos chuil Bert as an tror is fear nó an tror is orja an sin gur éannig iad. And there were a few other things, obviously top podcasts, 3, 4 and 5 were all Formula 1 podcasts, Iver 3, Iver Catherigs, Iver Cuig, but Fud Chreilty Formula 1 Eid, Bring Back V10s, the Race F1 podcast, August 3 Legs, 4 Wheels. But then, number 2 and number 1 were probably what number 2 and number 1 were in all of Ireland anyway. Iver Dogs Iver Hain Chance Ma Garaushid Mar Iver Dogs Iver Hain Simple na Heron Arenos, and that is the Indo Sport podcast, which I've fallen in love with since the summer. So Tommy Trish Titsman Raw lesh on Indo Sport podcast on Saura. Even had one of my emails read out on the show one day on Bits and Bobs. Law 1 actually leishi the mock Cian to Marie first air on show or Bits and Bobs. So that was really cool. Vicious Shin on the cool. And number 1 was Crime World by, well, the Sunday World. They've rebranded recently. Thought I rebrand Jane the Aku Le Janie. But Crime World or the Sunday World podcast, I'm not even that interested in crime. Neil Moore and Simoga McGlure. But I think like a lot of people listening, it touches on a lot of stuff in Irish society and Irish politics even. Bín say ag buint le lán rudí sucky na haireann agus políoch na haireann, and more than anything else the chemistry and the great laugh that Nicola and Niall have on the show on Cemachíntoch agus an Caidrevíntoch idir Niall agus Nicola an show. I think that's the reason why so many people listen. Sin an fá a bhín a maid sin dína géisteach in such an interesting time in terms of Irish crime and Irish gangland, in terms of Sean McGovern coming back and Daniel Kinahan in Dubai and the Monk probably going for election again. So Sean McGovern ag teachtar as go héireann agus Daniel Kinahan fós hall an sin I Dubai agus chance ma go mbeidh the Monk go mbeidh Jerry Hutch ag dul ag rit a rís sa tauchan an bhliain se thugan. So yeah, I certainly spend a lot more time probably than I should one níos máma ná bachartam a géisteach le Crime World agus Indosport, and had another few things on the Spotify Wrapped, but nothing too interesting. Bhí cúpla rud eile Spotify Wrapped ach ní raibh mór on ro simul hall on sin. Book of the year. Definitely the best book I read this year was The Chimp Paradox by Dr. Steve Peters Gandalf. An leabhar is fear léime Imelina bhí sé mar The Chimp Paradox le Steve Peters. Honestly, I'd go as far to say a life-changing book. It's very the mrog or leabhar life-changing atá ann, and has helped me so much in. It doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter where you are in life, what you're doing. Read The Chimp Paradox. It'll help you so much. It'll help you understand how your brain works by Tishkin Shanice Fargat Madra leis an gui I brian Dinshin, but it's not in any way neurological or really scientific or anything like that. Well, I'm sure it's all based on science. Kinch go say bunniha eroliocht. But it's really simple, easy to follow, and whether you're trying to do better in business, in your personal life, or relationships, má tá tú géirí téanú níos fearr I de ghnó, nó beidir le a chaidre, le a héal, nó the chuideachliachta, your fitness, or whatever it might be. I cannot recommend it enough. It is so good by Dr. Steve Peters. Or even just check out some of the podcasts he's been on YouTube or on Spotify. He talks about all the things he goes through in the book, being Shake Lowarts, for the Ruddy Galer of Veen say a scree fuhu salawar, and an amazing book and really life changing for me this year. And I'm going to read it again, I think, over Christmas. Capam Goil me chun a lave arish irit nalog. And that's it, guys. I don't think I have too much else really to mention on this wrap-up of the year. Ní cheapan gúil mór an eile le rá agam an wrap-up nó an recap show gen bhlín. Just biggest thing is a big thank you to you. Yes, you, for listening. Gur míle madsa. Tosa, and then again the cliche. I'm not going to say to you plural, to Jeevsha got that. No, you, exactly you who's listening. Tosa Gadzirk, Talgeishtuk. Thank you so much for tuning in this year. Gurmi the Magav, As Tunals, Shach, Imlena, and hope you have a fantastic Christmas. Tasula Gungmai Nulig Inta Chagav, and also that you have a brilliant new year and a fantastic start to 2026. Gumai Ovlin Inta Chagav Agus Thusferfa. I gábhíle is a fiche sé, and hope it's a happy year filled with lots of good memories and good health. Slánsa agus cuimhní maithe agus léitheanta spríúla I gábhíle is a fiche sé. Lastly, on the last podcast of the year, I always like to end it by saying especially Happy Christmas to all the Irish around the world. Go háirithe nula chuna, Díomh Galéir na Héireannig, Chimplan down, who can't go back or can't be with their family in Ireland this Christmas. The Héireannig nach féidir live a bheith arás in Éireann an nullag seo. That you guys may have a fantastic Christmas, go mai nullag iontach agah seo, and that, yeah, even if you're away from home and away from people you'd like to be with, daoine nach bhfuil arás in Éireann agus daoine go bhrá live a bheith low an nullag seo, that you'll still be able to celebrate, enjoy it, and have a very peaceful time of year. Go mai am an a súbhnach and tin bhlíon agah agus go mai sibhan an é céilúra agus go mála sin tatnamh a bhaint as and to enjoy it. Thank you so much for listening throughout the year. Gur míle mágah as a bheith géisteacht I rith na bliana. And we'll be back around the 7th, 8th, 9th of January. Bam Durash Harther and Shaktu and Uktu and New Law Meaner. In the middle of that week, Ilor na Shachtan Shin. Very happy Christmas and a happy New Year. Nulla Clonadív agus Ovlin Fui Vostajiv, Slán agus Banach. Goodbye and God bless.